Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Firefox browser just keeps on crashing. So if this is happening, then in this video I'm going to show you guys a few ways in order to fix this, and this will work over on a Mac, and however it will also work on a Windows. It will all be the same basically. So if this is happening, the first thing I would simply recommend doing is trying to at least open Firefox for just a little bit, and once you've done that, go to the top right corner of your screen at that hamburger icon and then click on settings right here. Once you've done that, click on privacy and security right here and scroll down till you find clear data right here. Just click on clear data, and once you've done that, click on clear just like this and click on clear now. Once you've done that, also click on manage data, and if you see any websites right here, make sure to also just remove all of them by clicking on remove all and then save changes. Now if you have done that, what you can do is reopen Firefox to see if it's working. Now if it's still not working, then the second thing I also recommend doing is going to the top right corner of your screen again, then clicking on more tools and then clicking on task manager. Then right here, if you have a lot of tabs open, or if there's just some random things using a lot of your memory or CPU, then just make sure to close them down as well by just basically closing them down. And that's basically what you need to do. Now what I would also recommend doing is heading over to help, just like this. So click on the top right corner of your screen again, click on help, and then click on get help. And then click on install and update, and what I would recommend doing is just straight up update Firefox to the latest version. You always want to make sure that Firefox is updated to the latest version, and if this is not, then this could cause some issues with Firefox crashing. So you can basically see right here on how you can basically update Firefox for which devices. Now if you've done that as well and it's still not working, then basically the only other thing I have for you guys is simply reinstalling Firefox. So in order to do this, you can literally just go to your applications window over on Mac, deleting it and then reinstalling it from your Google basically, and it should be the same as well over on Windows. Just reinstall the app basically how you already installed it, just delete it and reinstall it, and that should definitely fix the issue for you. And yeah guys, that is basically everything I have for you guys. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.